Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD. In our previous video, we have drawn example number 1. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out. It is in the I button. For this video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF from our website. Download link is given in description below. So starting with example number 2, first of all you have to set limits of drawing. For lower left corner 0, tab 0, enter, and for upper right corner 200, tab 200, enter. In this fashion we have set limits of drawing. So first take rectangle command, REC, enter, specify 0, tab 0, first point, and second point 20, tab 84, enter. So in this fashion we have completed a rectangle. Next, change the layer tool from layer toolbar to center layer, which I have already defined in layer properties, and take line command from command prompt, press keyboard L, line, and specify a center line for this rectangle. Next, take offset command O, enter, and specify offset distance of 45, enter, and select the object and specify direction. Again, select the object and specify direction. Press escape button. Next, line command, press L, enter, and specify a center line, first point and second point. Next, take offset command O, enter, and specify offset distance of 30, enter, and select object, specify direction, escape. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to default layer and take circle C, enter, specify center point of circle and specify radius of circle is 4, enter. Next, take copy command, CO, enter, select object, right click, specify base point, first copy, second copy, escape button. Next, again take circle command, C, enter, specify center point and radius is 14, enter. Next, to copy this circle over here, take CO copy command, enter, select object, right click, specify center point and escape button. Next, take again circle command, C, enter, specify center point and radius is 15, enter. Next, take line command, L, enter, then for taking tangent line, press shift plus right click and tangent, select the curve, shift plus right click, tangent, select curve. To repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. Again, tangent line, shift right click, tangent, selection of curve, shift right click, tangent, selection of curve. Next, to offset these center line above 72 mm distance, take offset command O, enter, offset distance is 72, enter, select object, specify direction, escape button to escape the command. Next, these two center points are being located. Next, take circle command, C, enter, specify center point and radius is 10, enter. Next, take copy command, CO, enter, select object, right click and specify center point of circle to copy. Next, take circle command, C, enter, specify center point and radius is 20, enter. Again, take copy command, CO, enter, select object, right click, base point and then center point, escape. Next, take circle command, C, enter, tangent radius, TTR, enter, first point, second tangent point and then radius is 74, enter. Next, take offset command to offset the center line O, enter, 30, 30, enter, select object, specify direction, select object, specify direction. Next, take line command, L, enter and specify a line. Again, L, enter, specify line. Next, take fillet command, F, enter and specify radius of fillet, R, enter, 12, enter. Select first curve, second curve. Again, to repeat fillet command, press space button from keyboard and select. Again, repeat command, space. Again, repeating fillet command, space button from keyboard and selection. Next, to remove these curve, select trim tool, TR, enter, selection of object. These three objects are been selected, then right click and then select the region which we want to remove. Next, to repeat trim command, press space button from keyboard and then select object. Then press right click and remove the region which we don't want. And then escape button from keyboard. Next, take line command, L, enter. Then for tangent line, shift right click, tangent, first point, shift right click, tangent, second point. Again, repeating line command, press space button, shift right click, tangent, shift right click, tangent, selection of curve. Next, to apply hatch command, press H, enter and pick internal point of the region where hatch is to be applied. Next, specify scale up to 20 from property ribbon and then press enter and again enter. So in this fashion we have completed our example number 2. In our next video we'll apply dimensions to this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button, and I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.